A contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties. It outlines the terms and conditions that govern their relationship. Contracts provide a framework for business transactions. They ensure that all parties understand their obligations and rights. Without contracts, there would be a higher risk of misunderstandings and disputes. There are various types of contracts used in business. A common type is a fixed-price contract. This type of contract sets a predetermined price for the goods or services being exchanged. Another type is a cost-reimbursable contract where one party covers the other's expenses plus an agreed-upon fee. Understanding the different contract types is crucial for selecting the most suitable one for a particular situation. Effective contract management is essential for achieving successful business outcomes. It helps mitigate risks, ensures compliance, and maximizes value from contractual relationships. By implementing robust contract management processes, organizations can streamline their operations and protect their interests. The contract lifecycle encompasses all stages of a contract's existence, from initiation to closeout. It typically involves several key phases. The first phase is pre-award, where potential vendors are identified and proposals are solicited. Next comes the award phase, where the contract is drafted, negotiated, and signed. Once the contract is signed, it enters the execution phase. During this phase, both parties fulfill their contractual obligations. Regular monitoring and communication are essential during this stage to ensure smooth implementation. The contract then moves into the post-award phase where amendments might be made if needed. The final stage is contract closeout. This involves documenting the completion of obligations, settling any outstanding payments, and formally closing the contract. Properly managing each stage of the contract lifecycle is critical for minimizing risks and maximizing contract value. Every contract, regardless of its complexity, contains certain essential elements. These include an offer and acceptance, which signify the parties' agreement to the terms, consideration, which refers to something of value exchanged between the parties, and legal capacity, meaning that the parties involved are legally competent to enter into a contract. In addition to these core elements, contracts often include various clauses that address specific aspects of the agreement. Common clauses include confidentiality clauses, which protect sensitive information shared between parties, termination clauses, which outline the conditions under which the contract can be terminated, and dispute resolution clauses, which establish a process for resolving disagreements. Understanding these key elements and common clauses is essential for interpreting and enforcing contracts effectively. Effectively managing contracts requires a systematic approach and attention to detail. One practical aspect is utilizing contract management software, which can help streamline processes, track deadlines, and store contracts securely. Another important aspect is risk management. Identifying potential risks associated with a contract and developing mitigation strategies is crucial. Negotiation skills are also essential in contract management. Parties need to effectively communicate their interests, find common ground, and reach mutually acceptable agreements. This involves active listening, understanding the other party's perspective, and being willing to compromise. Throughout the contract lifecycle, clear communication between all stakeholders is paramount. Mastering contract management is an ongoing process that requires both knowledge and practical experience. By understanding the fundamentals, utilizing available tools, and continuously improving their skills, individuals and organizations can effectively manage their contracts, mitigate risks, and achieve successful outcomes. Remember, a well-managed contract is a valuable asset to any business.